Once you open the packet, you will see that our Reshma henna brush and a pair of gloves are already provided for you. Empty the henna powder into the bowl and gradually add water. Mix until henna becomes a paste-like consistency, so it's easily applied to your hair. Before we begin, we are going to apply a skin barrier such as Vaseline or any cream to prevent any staining to the skin line. And remember to use the gloves provided to avoid coloring your hands. First, we are going to part her hair into 4 large sections for easy application. Now we can begin applying the henna. You want to start at the roots and go down 2 to 3 inches at a time. Continue to cover the full length of the strand down to the tips. As you get closer to the hairline, apply this area very carefully to smaller sections of your hair. Use a brush provided to ensure you do not color the skin line or your forehead. The final step is to let the henna sit for 30 minutes. After processing, rinse all the henna out of your hair with water only until the water runs clear. Then shampoo and condition as desired. Henna's natural and conditioning qualities will leave your hair strong, soft, and silky. For maintenance, we recommend Reshma henna be applied once a month. Be sure to log onto our website for our products and any other information. Thank you, and remember, nature's best kept secret can be yours.